Embark on a journey to explore how George Washington, the revered founding father of the United States, would navigate the complex world of the stock market and financial diversification. By delving into his historical context, values, and beliefs, we'll unravel the potential stocks he would choose and how he would diversify his portfolio and ways they relate to his historical legacy. Here are some investments he might consider and how they relate to him historically. 1. Infrastructure and construction. George Washington played a pivotal role in the development of the United States infrastructure, including roadways, canals, and public buildings. Today, he might invest in infrastructure companies involved in the construction and maintenance of roads, bridges, airports, and other critical infrastructure projects. This investment choice would reflect his commitment to nation building and economic progress. 2. Defense and aerospace. As the first commander-in-chief of the Continental Army and a strong advocate for national defense, George Washington might invest in defense and aerospace companies. This could include manufacturers of military equipment, aerospace technology, and defense contractors. Such investments would align with his historical role in protecting and defending the nation's interests. 3. Agricultural and food production. George Washington was a renowned farmer and believed in the importance of agriculture for the nation's prosperity. He might invest in agricultural companies involved in farming, food production, or agricultural technology. This choice would relate to his historical expertise in agriculture and his understanding of the significance of food security and agricultural innovation. 4. Energy and sustainable solutions. George Washington had a forward-thinking approach and sought to ensure the long-term welfare of the nation. He might invest in renewable energy companies and sustainable solutions, recognizing the importance of transitioning to clean energy sources and addressing environmental challenges. This choice would align with his historical commitment to responsible resource management. 5. Historical preservation and cultural heritage. George Washington had a deep appreciation for history and the preservation of cultural heritage. He might invest in companies involved in historical preservation, restoration, or museums. This investment choice would relate to his historical legacy and his commitment to preserving the nation's heritage for future generations. 6. Financial institutions. George Washington was a strong supporter of a sound financial system. He might invest in banks, financial institutions, and other related companies that contribute to the stability and growth of the economy. This investment choice would reflect his understanding of the importance of a robust financial sector in supporting economic development. 7. Education and research. George Washington valued knowledge and education. He might invest in companies involved in the education sector, including online learning platforms or educational technology companies. Additionally, he might support research and development initiatives, reflecting his historical commitment to intellectual advancement and progress. 8. Philanthropy and social impact. George Washington was known for his philanthropic endeavors and dedication to the betterment of society. He might allocate a portion of his portfolio to philanthropic and impact investments, supporting causes such as education, healthcare, or environmental conservation. This investment choice would align with his values and demonstrate his commitment to making a positive impact on society. Washington was an avid reader and had an extensive personal library. His collection included books on a wide range of subjects, from politics and history to agriculture and philosophy. But the question is, what stocks would George Washington invest in related to his historical significance? 1. General Electric, GE. George Washington was a visionary leader who embraced technological progress. General Electric, a conglomerate known for its innovations in various industries, including aviation, renewable energy, and healthcare, would likely resonate with his interest in cutting-edge technologies and industrial development. 2. Bank of America, BAC. George Washington recognized the importance of a strong financial system for the nation's growth and stability. Investing in Bank of America, one of the largest banks in the United States, would align with his belief in the significance of a robust banking sector to support economic progress. 3. Ford Motor Company, F. George Washington valued the advancement of transportation infrastructure. Investing in Ford, an iconic American automobile manufacturer, would reflect his historical role in promoting the development of roadways and transportation networks. 4. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. George Washington had a deep concern for the well-being and health of his troops. Johnson & Johnson, a multinational healthcare company known for its pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer healthcare products, would align with his emphasis on healthcare and medical advancements. 5. Union Pacific Corporation, UNP. George Washington understood the importance of a strong transportation system in fostering economic growth. Investing in Union Pacific, one of the largest railroad companies in the United States, would reflect his historical role in supporting the expansion of transportation networks. 6. Coca-Cola Company, KO. George Washington appreciated the finer things in life and was known for his hospitality. Investing in Coca-Cola, a global beverage company with a long-standing presence, would align with his historical interest in quality products and enjoyment of social gatherings. 7. Apple Inc. AAPL. George Washington was forward-thinking and embraced innovation. Investing in Apple, a technology giant known for its groundbreaking products and services, would reflect his historical appreciation for advancements in science and technology. 8. Deere & Company. George Washington was a successful farmer and believed in the importance of agriculture for the nation's prosperity. He might invest in Deere & Company, a leading manufacturer of agricultural equipment, as it aligns with his historical background in agriculture and his understanding of its significance. 9. Lockheed Martin Corporation, LMT. George Washington played a crucial role in establishing a strong national defense. Investing in Lockheed Martin, a global aerospace and defense company, would relate to his historical commitment to national security and military advancements. 10. The Home Depot, Inc. HD. George Washington had a keen interest in architecture and construction. Investing in the Home Depot, a leading home improvement retailer, would align with his historical appreciation for building and craftsmanship. By aligning his investments with his historical background and values, George Washington would seek to contribute to the nation's growth, security, sustainability, and cultural preservation. It's important to note that these investment choices are speculative and based on historical analysis. Individual investment decisions should be based on thorough research, financial goals, risk tolerance, and consultation with a professional financial advisor. While George Washington's historical background and attributes provide a strong foundation, it offers a fascinating lens through which we can view the intersection of history and finance. It encourages us to consider how the values and principles of influential figures from the past might translate into investment strategies in today's world. Hope to see you in our next financial fable.